Oh, what's up, guys? I bet you're wondering what I'm doing, and I'm putting on some cornbread. Okay, this is a CBD balm that is grown in Kentucky and made out of organic hemp. Do a great job manufacturing. This is a high quality product. I went and checked out the founder stories and everything that they're doing for their brand, and they really put a lot of time and care into this. 25 mg of CBD and then 1 mg of THC. I'm not into mind altering substances or anything like that, so I can tell you that this isn't overly potent. It's not something that personally you're going to feel. I don't feel as somebody that is easily impacted by THC and stuff like that. So I recommend it to those out there that are just looking for the health benefits. And that's what I was curious about after exploring their products. When you have aches and pains and recovery and you want to shy away from taking medicines and pills and things like that, you know, it's always worth trying to see how these different products adapt to your body, and obviously consult your own doctor or anything like that before you use it. And then read the testimonials and see. It comes in this amazing package. It has a gold film on it, and they have this authenticity tag that you can scan the QR code on the back to make sure it's legit what you're getting. I think that's so important because I think everybody has seen the CBD industry take off, and there's a lot of products out there that aren't good, and they want to keep their brand intact, and so they have these different authenticity tags on each of their products. Everything's small batch, full spectrum. Really going to be happy with what they have. Paraben free and certified GMP. So they have a lot of different ratings here. This is the lotion, CBD lotion. I've actually been using this one the past few nights. Again, health benefits, recovery. This has menthol in it, so it actually smells great. And as I was reading a lot of the different ingredients on the back here, there's a laundry list of very good ingredient: MCT oil, organic vitamin E, organic hemp flower extract, obviously, organic olive oil, leaf olive oil, organic lemongrass oil, peppermint oil, rosemary, so tea tree. It has a lot of amazing stuff that you would have to normally buy separately. They've done it all for you in this amazing package, one solution, and no wonder it's been working really well for me. And they obviously have this CBD oil. So this has 50 mg CBD and 2 mg THC. Again, I haven't noticed any major effects from it, but I want to shout that out for people that are, you know, skeptical of these things. And, you know, it's not mind altering. It's not meant to be that. It's meant to be healing. And so I actually been taking this before bed. It's been a great way to relax and grab a book, have a cup of tea, really just enjoy the evening without kind of having this fuss of, you know, taking sleeping pills and things like that. So I mean, of course, everybody has different bodies. Consult your doctor, try it out, read up on their website, all the different things they have. I'll attach a link here where you can check it out and get a discount off your first order. If you have any questions about my experience, happy to answer them. Cheers, guys.